Hello viewers, today's topic is top extinct animals of the world. But before starting the video, make sure that you have subscribed the channel. The Indian cheetah, a subspecies found in India, tragically became extinct in 1947. It was hunted and persecuted by farmers due to livestock concerns. While habitat loss and fragmentation also played a role in its decline. This iconic species, unable to withstand these pressures, met an untimely end, leaving behind a legacy of loss and the urgent need for conservation efforts. The Tasmanian tiger. It was a carnivorous marsupial found in Australia and Tasmania. It was hunted to extinction in the early 20th century, due to persecution by farmers and habitat loss. The species was also hunted for its fur, and for bounties paid to people who killed them. Despite rumors of sightings, the last known individual died in captivity in 1936. The Sumatran Rhino. A species of rhino native to northeast India and other regions of Southeast Asia, faces a dire situation. This magnificent creature is now critically endangered primarily due to two significant threats: habitat loss and poaching for its valuable horn. The destruction of its natural habitat has severely impacted the rhino population, while the demand for its horn in traditional medicine has led to rampant poaching. The Sumatran rhino's plight serves as a somber reminder of the urgent need for conservation efforts to safeguard this iconic species from the brink of extinction. The pink-headed fruit dove, once found in India's Western Ghats region, met a tragic end. Last observed in the 1930s, hunting and habitat loss likely led to its disappearance. This bird's decline serves as a reminder of the devastating impact of human activities on vulnerable species. Urgent conservation efforts are crucial to protect and preserve the delicate balance of our natural ecosystems. The Pyrenees Ibex. It was a subspecies of the Spanish ibex found in the Pyrenees mountain range. It was declared extinct in 2000, making it the first species to go extinct twice.
The male's skulls are specially reinforced to take a battering.
After an unsuccessful attempt to clone it using frozen tissue samples, the species was driven to extinction by hunting and disease. The Ivorybilled Woodpecker. It was a large woodpecker found in the southeastern United States. It was thought to be extinct until a few possible sightings were reported in the early 21st century, though none have been confirmed. The species was likely driven to extinction by habitat loss and hunting for its feathers and beak, which were used in fashion accessories. The dodo. It was a flightless bird found only on the island of Mauritius. It was hunted to extinction by the 17th century, just 80 years after the arrival of humans on the island. The bird was easy to catch due to its flightlessness, and its eggs were also hunted for food. The dodo has become an iconic symbol of extinction and a cautionary tale about the impact of human activity on the natural world. The Indian wild ass. A subspecies found in India and Pakistan, was declared endangered in the 20th century. Its population decline was attributed to habitat loss and hunting for meat and skin, prompting concerns for its survival. Urgent conservation efforts are needed to protect this remarkable subspecies from further decline and secure its future in the wild. The passenger pigeon. It was once the most numerous bird species in North America, with flocks that numbered in the billions. However, it was hunted and killed to extinction by the early 20th century. The species was prized as a food source, and was also targeted for sport hunting. The last known individual, a female named Martha, died in captivity at the Cincinnati Zoo in 1914. The quagga, distinctive subspecies of zebra native to South Africa, faced a devastating fate. It was relentlessly hunted to extinction in the late 19th century due to its prized meat, sought-after hides, and the need to clear land for agricultural purposes. The last recorded quagga perished in captivity in Amsterdam in 1883, marking the irreversible loss of this remarkable species. The pink-headed duck, a vibrant species of duck found in India and Bangladesh, faced a tragic fate. Last observed in the 1940s, it is now considered extinct. The duck was relentlessly hunted for its meat and eggs, contributing to its decline.